Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and watch OTT apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, etc. on our PS5 console. So let's check it out. We all use our PlayStation 5 device to play our favorite games, but some or even many of us don't use it to watch media content. I'm talking about popular OTT apps like Apple TV Plus, Prime Video, Netflix, etc. And of course, if you have a very good smart TV or a good media streaming device like Fire Stick, Chromecast, etc., then you can still use that. But if you are using a normal TV and if you feel like using such apps are very hard, then we can try PS5 for that. We need to have paid subscriptions to use all these OTT platforms, but some of them have free trials. We will link them in the description. You can check it out after watching this video. And also please keep in mind, PS5 generally consumes a lot of power while using such apps. To install popular OTT apps on our PS5 console, first we have to switch on our TV and also our PS5. Then we will get this screen. Now using our PS5 DualSense wireless controller, we can go to this media tab at the top, this one. Select that. And now here we can see all these icons. Usually some of them will be pre-installed, but we can go to discover section and also all apps to check the popular and trending apps. For example, I can go to all apps and choose Netflix here, and I can select the download option to download that. That's all. After downloading the app, it will say ready to use. Then we can start and use the account. And if we want to search for any apps, then we can go to the search icon here, select that, and we can type the name we want. For example, if I want to search for Prime, then Prime. And it will be at the bottom. Just select that. And now we can download it. That's all. After the installation is complete, we will get this start option. Select that. Then we will get a screen like this. If we already have an account, we can choose the sign in or we can choose the create account option. So I'll choose sign in, and these are the ways to verify the account. We will use the website activation method. That's all. Now the TV screen will refresh and we can access our account. We can watch the movies here. We can use our controller to navigate. That's all. For the activation process, we published individual videos on our channel for Prime Video, Netflix, Apple TV Plus, etc. We will share them in the description. You can check it out while configuring the apps. And if we want to delete or uninstall these OTT apps, just go to that OTT app and choose options button on our controller, this one. We just have to press that and we will get this menu. Choose delete here. That's all. It will be deleted and uninstalled. If you plan to regularly use your PS5 for watching OTT apps, then it's good to get the PS5 media remote. This is like a typical TV remote with all the control options, and we have direct access to Disney Plus, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, etc. So it's good to use this instead of using our DualSense controller or TV remote all the time. These are the steps to install and watch popular OTT apps on our Sony PS5 console. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.